Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to write essay on unsung heroes of freedom struggle in English. Let's start our essay with a slogan to make it more impressive. Our slogan is made a great contribution to Indian freedom. Unsung heroes did not get that much stardom. Our country India got freedom from the slavery of the British on 15th August 1947. We did not get this freedom easily. But for this, there was a hard struggle of many freedom fighters. Today, because of their sacrifices, we all have taken birth in independent India. There were contributions of many fighters in freeing India, some of which are prominent names such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Pandit Nehru, Shahid Bhagat Singh, and so on. But there were also such heroes in our country whose stories have been buried somewhere in the pages of history. Today, the future generation of the country needs to know the entire history of the country. To celebrate the 75th year of India's independence, we all the Indians are engaged to find unsung heroes who played crucial roles during the freedom struggle but lost somewhere in darkness. There are so many freedom fighters whose names many of the youngsters are not aware of and their contribution in the freedom struggle. It's a great honor for all of us to highlight the contribution of unsung heroes to celebrate 75th year of India's independence. Some of the unsung freedom fighters are Ulaskar Datta. He was an Indian revolutionary. In the famous Alipur bomb case, Ulaskar was arrested on 2nd May 1908 and he was sentenced to death by hanging in 1909. Later, on appeal, the verdict was reduced to transportation for life and he was deported to the cellular jail in Andaman. Next was Dukari Bala Devi. Dukari Bala Devi, one of the most prominent members of the armed freedom struggle against the British in pre-independence India. She had been the first female fighter to be arrested and convicted under the infamous Arms Act. Next was Satish Chandra Samanta. Satish Chandra Samanta was an Indian independence movement activist and a member of the Lok Sabha from 1952 to 1977. Next was Nani Bala Devi. Nani Bala Devi was a freedom fighter. She came from a lower middle class family. She was married at 11 and widowed at 15. Very few people are aware that she was an undercover agent and helped those who fought against the British. Next was Bina Das. Bina Das was an Indian revolutionary and nationalist from West Bengal. Next was Pulin Bihari Das. Pulin Bihari Das was an Indian revolutionary and the founder president of the Dhaka Anushilan Samiti. Next was Matangini Hazra, an Indian revolutionary who became actively interested in the Indian independence movement as a Gandhian. In 1932, she took part of the civil disobedience movement and was arrested for breaking the SALT Act. Hazra was also part of the Quit India movement and non-cooperation movement. Next was Pir Ali Khan, one of the initial rebels of India who participated in the Indian independence movement is yet not known to many. He was a part of the 1857 freedom struggle and was hanged in full public view along with 14 other rebellions who participated in the mutiny. Next was Khudiram Bose. He was one of the youngest revolutionaries who opposed British rule of India. Bose's tale of valor and contribution in India's freedom struggle is significant as he was just 18 years old when he was sentenced to death. Next was Bikaji Kama. One must have heard her name on roads and buildings, but many are not aware of her tale of valor. one of the prominent figures in the Indian independence movement. She also stood for gender equality. मनोरंजन दास सेन, बसंत कुमार बिस्वास, पारुल मुखर्जी, मोतीलाल राय, कन्हई लाल दत्ता, तारक नाथ दास, अरुणा असफ अली, लक्ष्मी सहगल, टिरोत सिंह, कनकलता बरुआ were more freedom fighters who lost somewhere in the pages of history. The younger generation must have to know more about these freedom fighters who were forgotten by many. The government should bring the heroic stories of all these heroes and their lives in front of the people of the country by launching books, making short documentaries, or with the help of seminars. At last, we will write a slogan again. Our slogan is, let us sing the valor of unsung heroes, introduce them to nation because they are not zeros. So friends, like this you can write this essay in a most impressive way. If this video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe the channel, and for PDF of this essay you can join our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching.